All right, it's Supreme Detail Supply here with our new product, the Clear View Glass Cleaner. Today we're going to demo on how to use it. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're using it to clean the windows. It's very fast, safe, and effective, even on tinted glass on the interior as well. So let's check it out. In order to use this product, it's a simple spray and wipe. So spray, spray. That gets it all over the panel. We're using a short nap towel. Compared to a long nap towel, short naps seem to clean a little bit better, more effective on glass. So it's as simple as spreading. We like to do a little crosshatch, flip the towel, and basically we are done with streak-free glass. Quick and easy. All right, so now that the demo is done, we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car. All right, so there it is. That's our Clear View Glass Cleaner. For more information, go check out supremedetailsupply.com. Also our social media on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Supreme Detail Supply.